In primetime news this evening, rumors shut down and millions expected. Big topics take center stage during the Standing Finance Committee of Parliament. Will renovation delays at the Ward Theatre be costly? We explore in our In Focus report a monument in limbo. And the 3 cops implicated in the death of Mario Dean face the court.
And good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. In the business news, Finance Minister responds to concern about jam decks.
And Jermaine Brown has a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports. Jerry?
Well, thanks, Archie. Well, Caribbean champions Cavalier face a big test this evening in the CONCACAF Champions Cup. They go up against Lionel Messi's Inter Miami. And the Jamaica Scorpions, they were stingless in their batting, bowled out for less than 50. This in the Regional Silver 50 Championship at Savannah Park. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Less than 50?
It was...
Wow.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking what more can be done to complete the restoration of the Ward Theatre.
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at tvjnews Center.
And of course, this includes the folks who are watching us on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Stay with us, the news in detail right after the break.